welcome back to the channel. It's 4th of July, happy Independence Day. As you know, we're staying in a campground, and on holidays it gets a little overwhelming there. The campground is absolutely packed, so crowds aren't our thing. So we decided to get out and maybe hit some trails and try to find a spot to do a little fishing. So stick around and see what we find. Taking this little road in, there's a sign up at coming off the main road that said Mini Pond. So we're gonna go back here, see what it looks like, see if we can get a little fishing. Alright, so here's our little parking area right here at the end of that road, and there's a trail. So we're gonna hike back there, see how far it is, and the lake should be back there. We're gonna go see if it's very far and see if it looks like a spot we can fish from shore and figure it out. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Alright, well, I gave it a try. I caught one bass on a hula popper. Yep, caught one bass on a hula popper, really small. We were trying for a little while. She could see a good sized bass in the water from her vantage point. So I was trying to get in by that, and then a snake swam across. And say what you will,
I'm done.
You can make fun of us all you want, but when it comes to snakes, Indiana Jones, we're out. So, but they weren't biting. That one little bass that I did catch was the only bite we even got. It's midday, it's hot out, so might not be the best time anyway, but we're gonna go try to find somewhere else. Or ride some more trails, we'll see. Stick around. Well, this looks like as far as we're going down this trail. That's pretty soft looking. Some of the holes we've gone through already have been pretty soft, and again, we don't have a winch. We're out here by ourselves. There is a bypass, but it looks like it's narrow for like side-by-sides and quads. So we're gonna find a way to turn around right here and probably head back to the campground. It's getting, well, it's well into dinner time, so by the time we get back, it will be. So let's find our way out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yep, that was a Blue Racer. We missed him. And
He's by the tree already.
oh, he's going under the bush.
Dang.
Look out. Way down.
That's the first time I've ever seen a blue racer in the wild.
Do you want to get out? Because guess what? They
What?
chase you.
No, I don't want to get out. It's a snake. You should ask if I want to get out and get a close look at that snake. Hell no.
It's a Blue Racer. Come on.
We gone. Alright, so that last clip saw that doe up in the woods. Right before that, two fawns were in the road and ran across the left. We just couldn't get the camera up in time. And then Lisa saw, she was like, "Where's Mom?" And she spotted that doe, so we backed up, got a little shot of her. But so we've seen those two fawns, that doe. We saw one other doe in a trail, ran off before we
Take
get
your next
video.
right onto Michigan 37 South.
We saw two snakes, two too many. So 4 deer, 2 snakes,
I caught one whole fish.
caught 1 fish. Saw another fish we wouldn't get to bite. But we're on our way back to camp now. Obviously we're back on the highway and
Turn right onto Michigan 37
heading back
South.
to camp. Gonna get some dinner. Got Frank out. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Leave us a thumbs up, like, whatever, comment. And I know we've just been getting day trips, but right now that's what we can get. We hope to get back out in the rooftop tent overlanding soon, but until then we'll get our day trail rides out and get out and enjoy it. So again, thanks for watching.